Alright guys, so this is Innovation's chicken fried rice, and this is what you get out of the microwave for 5 minutes. It's in a bag, pretty hot. So this is what we're gonna taste today. And we're gonna open this up and voila, we're gonna try it. Innovation's chicken fried rice. Right back. Alright guys, so we're back. Let's move the camera just a little bit. So that is the chicken fried rice that came out. So you got some peas, you got some chicken in there somehow. First, let's do the smell test. Doesn't smell the most appetizing. Maybe it doesn't have MSG. I don't know. But if you're expecting the same smell you get from the Chinese food store, this ain't it. So let's give it a fair taste test. Hey, I got some rice. Let's see. Wish me luck. Okay, the smell was off, but the taste is not awful. It's not wow, but it's pretty good. It's actually edible. So I'm gonna dig in for some chicken. Let's wish me luck on this one. Wow, tastes like chicken. It's actually not bad, guys. So, it's actually not bad. Surprisingly, like I said, when you buy it, you say, okay, it's gonna taste and smell like everything, like from the local Chinese food place. No, doesn't smell like it. Doesn't really taste like it either, but it's still good. Uh-oh. Now, I don't know if it's gonna make me sick, but it doesn't taste bad. Another piece of chicken. Okay, so just to be fair, they do give you a lot. It's not like they're skimping. They're not skimping. Got peas, carrots, some other type of lima bean or something. All right. Remember, that's what it looks like. Doesn't look bad. So, chicken fried rice, grilled chicken, white meat, colorful vegetables, and authentic seasoned long rice. Okay, I give them that. made with white meat chicken. Microwave only or pan fry. I went for the microwave, obviously. Let's see. Place self-venting bag of rice in microwave with seam side facing up. You'll see the seam side. High heat for 5 minutes, which was surprising. Our self-venting bag will inflate, which it did. No need to punch holes in bag, which I didn't need to. And I guess if you like boxed food, then you can get used to this. But I'm a Chinese food nut. I love that stuff. And I can almost tell you in my sleep blindfolded which restaurant it came from. So, it's not bad. Would I buy it again? No. Only because I would rather go to the store and trek over there and get some good rice. Now, if I'm stuck in a snowstorm and this is all I got, and I got no more food, I'm out of pizza and all the other good stuff, yeah, I guess I'd have it again. Like I said, it ain't bad. Certainly isn't horrible. It ain't yummy. No yummy sounds coming out, but it's edible and it's good. It's just not what I'm used to. So, to me, I wouldn't buy it anymore. But it still is a good edible product from Innovations. So I got to give them thumbs up, even though I'd rather have the original. Go out and try it by all means. It looks good, colorful. The rice is good. The chicken seems okay. We'll see in a couple hours. If I get sick, I will go back on and make another video. That's for sure. But if I don't, okay. The Italian guy says, yeah, go out and get it. Why not? All right, guys. Like I said, it looks good. It's colorful. Cool. All right, man. I don't know if I'm going to finish it, but I might have another scoop or not. That's about it. All right, guys. Manja. Eat up, baby. Thanks for watching the Italian Guy's Food Tour.